Okay, it's day whatever, getting close to the middle of the Atlantic, and we've got 2.3 knots. So we're still probably about 2 weeks away from the Azores. So, being a bit of an expert now on this Atlantic sailing lark, I've started to design the perfect yacht for doing this sort of cruise. And this is it. 65 foot long. Let's see, it's a planing hull, nice and wide, no rolling, nice and fast. Got a bowsprit so I can get the big asymmetric spinnakers up. Scow 2 is what it's called. Inside all the mod cons, television, video, games, everything you want, and huge sail area. But the most important thing of this particular design, I think, is this: a 20,000 horsepower motor, because a sailboat's any good if there's wind, which we've got 4 knots of at the moment, coming from where we want to go.